Hi everyone, welcome back. We're here with another fun-filled day of science, and I'm excited to dive in with you again today. We are finishing up our plant part post-test. Try to say that 10 times fast. And we are focusing on our last two plant parts, today and tomorrow. Those are our only days this week. So 2 short and easy days. We will have our video today, and then we'll have another video tomorrow reviewing the final part, okay? So today, what we're going to focus on is we're going to focus on the fruit of a plant. So the structure of the fruit looks different depending on what kind of fruit you're focusing on, right? I'm looking at this picture of kiwi right above my head here, and I had no idea that that's how kiwi grew. I'm going to click on that. So I'm learning right here with you. That's really cool. You guys, I had no idea kiwi grew like that. I don't know if you guys know this, but some people actually eat the outside of a kiwi. I can't personally, because I think eating like that fuzzy outer layer is odd and it's something I can't do. But if you can, more power to you. My friend Liz does, and she's the first person, maybe the only person I've seen do that, and it's so interesting. But everyone eats food differently, and that's okay. But with fruit, again, as you can see here, it all looks different. We have avocados down here with their green shell that we don't eat. We have apples. Some people eat the peel, some don't. We have strawberries here and here. Blueberries. These look like apricots. Raspberries. Raspberries are my favorite fruit. Those look like tomatoes, but I don't think those are tomatoes. Maybe grapes. Here's grapes for sure. But as you are looking at all of these fruits, you can see that they all look different. Yes? So that's the structure, right? Also, another thing to consider is what they look like on the inside. Okay? Now, strawberries are a very unique fruit because their seeds are on the outside. Now, you are being asked once again to tell me what the purpose of a plant's fruit is. Okay? You're going to be shown pictures, and then you're going to be asked, what is this? What is it for? Or what does it do? Just like you were all last week. Okay, so if I say, what is this? I'm not saying, please tell me, this is a strawberry. You can tell me, this is a plant's fruit. And then if you tell me what it does, I want you to say, it protects the seed until it can be replanted. That is the purpose of a fruit. A fruit's job is to protect and transport its seeds until they can be replanted, until they can be exposed or reintroduced to a new area where they are able to mesh or become become connected to the perfect growing environment for their new life. Okay, now strawberries are unique because they are the only, one of the only, if not the only fruit that has their seeds on the outside of their structure. Okay, that's unique. Raspberries are also unique because their seeds, while at the center of each of these little bubbles, are still segmented in each of those little bubbles. Okay, while other fruits like the avocado here and the apricot right here have one large seed at the center of their fruit. Okay, so depending on what kind of seed or what kind of fruit it is, they might have different amounts of seeds. Tomatoes have a bunch of different seeds in them. They're just all throughout the middle. Same with peppers, same with other types of fruit. Apples, the seeds are right around the middle in little curves. Kiwis have many, many seeds right in the middle. Pomegranates are all seeds. It's basically all a pomegranate is. Same with dragon fruit, etc. Oranges and grapefruit, all the way throughout. Same with cucumbers, they're in the center. So it just kind of depends on what fruit you're working with. But the whole purpose of the fruit, here's some kiwi also, there's the seeds, those black dots. The whole purpose of the fruit is to protect the seeds until they are able to be transported and replanted. And sometimes that means being dropped as the fruit is being eaten, either by a person or an animal. Or the seeds can be dropped and transplanted or dropped and replanted somewhere else through an animal's feces or their poop. That happens in many different types of animals. Animals will come eat a fruit and then they might poop out the seed and the seed might actually still be able to be planted. Okay, it just kind of depends. But that fruit is yummy. That fruit has done its job in getting an animal to eat it. So then that seed can come out of the fruit, go through the animal's stomach, become waste, and then hopefully, maybe, become planted or joined with the ground so that it can begin to grow again. Okay, of course, depending on whether or not it has the proper growing requirements that it needs. Okay, but that is what you need to know about fruit for your test and for life. Carry that information with you, share it with a friend, but we will come back tomorrow for our last piece of the plant part puzzle, and I cannot wait to share that with you either. See you guys later. Bye.